Hello students, welcome to all of you. Myself Dharmendra Solanki, Assistant Professor in Mining Engineering Department of Raj Engineering College, Jodhpur. Today I will discuss on topic Mine Accident Analysis Part A under subject Mine Safety Engineering for BTech 6M Mining Engineering students. In this lecture we will discuss on these points: introduction, safety terms and definitions, factors responsible for hazards in mines, accidents and their classification, statistics of accidents, basic causes of accident occurrence, cause-wise accident analysis, statistical accident and injury analysis, investigations into accident and accident report. Introduction. Mining is a hazardous profession associated with high level of accidents and injuries. A mining accident is an accident that occurs during the process of mining minerals. Thousands of miners die from mining accident each year, especially from underground coal mining. Although metal mining is not immune from accidents, coal mining is considered much more hazardous than metal mining due to flat-lying rock strata, generally incompetent rock, the presence of methane gas and coal dust. Most of that these days occurs in developing countries and rural parts of developed countries. This graph shows trend in death rates and serious injury rates per 1000 persons employed in Indian coal mines. Red line shows serious injury rates and blue line shows fatality rates per 1000 persons in Indian coal mines. This table shows trend in death rate per 1000 persons employed in various Indian mines like coal, oil, copper, gold, iron ore, limestone, manganese ore, lead zinc ore for the period of 2002 to 2011. Safety terms and definitions. Safety. This is the conservation of human life and its effectiveness and prevention of damage as per requirement, or safety is the degree of freedom from risk and hazards in environment such as a mine. What is accident? An undesirable or unfortunate happening that occurs unintentionally and usually results in harm, injury, damage or loss, casualty, mishap. According to coal mines regulation, an accident is defined as any incident or event which occurs in mine and causes loss of life or serious bodily injury in connection with mining operations due to several reasons like explosion, inundation, spontaneous heating, occurrence of inflammable gas, instantaneous failure of pillar, breakage or fracture of rope, or any essential part of winding engine, etc. Generally, accidents are caused due to unsafe acts and unsafe conditions. What is unsafe act? An unsafe act is a departure from an accepted, normal or correct procedure or practice and is an unnecessary exposure to hazards. There are several examples of unsafe acts like operating without authority, operating at unsafe speed, too fast or too slow, making safe devices inoperative, using equipment unsafely, unsafe loading, placing of equipment, material, etc., working on moving or dangerous equipment, cleaning, oiling, adjusting, etc., distracting, teasing, abusing, quarreling, etc., taking unsafe position or posture, failure to use protective devices like helmet, goggles. Unsafe condition. This is any condition under the set of conditions may create accident. Unsafe behavior. This is the manner in which an individual conducts unsafe acts to himself, herself or others. Factors responsible for hazards in mines. There are several factors which are responsible for hazards in Indian coal mines like geological disturbance, inadequate ventilation, explosive and fires, occupational hazards, inrushes of water, transport system, personal and social hazards, deficiency of management commitment. Geological disturbance factors are strata and roof control, dike, fold, fault. Inadequate ventilation factors are temperature, humid atmosphere, irrespirable atmosphere, respirable dust. Factors under explosive and fires are explosive atmosphere, flammable dust, explosives, spontaneous combustion. Factors under occupational hazards are lifting, machines, noise, contact with electricity, slip and fall. Factors under transport systems are haulage or locomotive, conveyor, shafts, free state vehicles, Factors under personal and social hazards we will discuss in next slide. Factors under deficiency of management commitment are inadequate training, inadequate supply and maintenance of equipment, inadequate supervision of workplace before and during work, absenteeism of supervisor at night shift work. Factors under personal and social hazards are demographic, personal attitude, societal characteristics. Demographic factors are sex, age, experience, occupation. Factors under personal attitude are risk taking, negative affectivity, depression, impulsiveness, unsafe work behavior, job dissatisfaction, job stress. Factors under societal characteristics are management worker interaction, supervisor worker interaction, co-worker relationships. Classification of mine accident. Accident can be classified as fatal accident, serious bodily injury, reportable injury, minor injury. Fatal accidents means which result in death of one or more person. Serious bodily injury means any injury which involves the permanent loss of any part of the body or permanent loss or injury to the sight or hearing or any permanent physical incapacity or fracture of any bone or joint. Reportable injury means any injury other than a serious bodily injury which involves the enforced absence of the injured person from work for a period of 72 hours or more. Minor injury means any injury other than a serious bodily injury which involves the enforced absence of the injured person from work for a period of exceeding 24 hours but less than 72 hours. Accidents can also be classified as disasters and major accidents. This table shows major accident in Indian coal mines for post-independence period. There were some black days in the history of Indian coal mines where some major accidents were happened and some of them were major disasters. In 1952 at the Memon mines 12 persons killed due to roof fall. In 1953 Majri mines 11 persons killed due to inundation. In 1954 Damra mines 10 persons killed due to explosion of fire damp. In 1954 Newton Chikli mines 63 persons killed due to inundation. In 1955 Amlabad mines 52 persons killed due to explosion of fire damp. In 1956 Burademo mines 28 persons killed due to inundation. In 1958 one of the major disasters were happened at Chainakuri mines where 175 persons killed due to explosion of fire damp. In 1958 at Central Bora mines 23 persons killed due to inundation. In 1960 Damua mines 16 persons killed due to inundation. In 1965 another major disaster was happened at Dori mines where 268 persons killed due to coal dust explosion. In 1968 at West Chirimuri mines 14 persons killed due to premature collapse of working. In 1973 Jitpur mines 48 persons killed due to explosion of fire damp. In 1975 Kesargarh mines 11 persons killed due to roof fall. In 1975 Silewada mines 10 persons killed due to inundation. On 27 December 1975 one of the biggest disaster was happened at Chasnala mines where 375 persons killed due to inundation, and later on Hindi movie Kala Patthar was made on this tragedy. In 1976 Central Sonda mines 10 persons killed due to inundation. 1976 Sudamdi mines 43 persons killed due to explosion of fire dams. In 79 Baragoli mines 16 persons killed due to ignition of fire dam. In 1981 Jagannath mines 10 persons killed due to water gas explosion. 1982 Topa mines 16 persons killed due to roof fall. 1983 Uraldi mines 19 persons killed due to inundation. 1989 Bahabir mines 6 persons killed due to inundation. 1994 New Kenda mines 55 persons killed due to fire suffocation of gases. 1995 Gastiland mines 64 persons due to inundation. 1999 Prax coal mines 6 persons killed due to fall of roof, collapse of working. In 2000 Kawadi mines 10 persons killed due to failure of open cast bench. In 2001 Bagadidi mines 29 persons killed due to inundation. In 2001 Durgapur Raitawadi mines 6 persons killed due to collapse of parting workings. 2003 Godavari Khani 7 LEP mines 17% killed due to inundation. In 2003, Godavari Khani 8A 10% killed due to roof fall. In 2005, Central Sonda mines 14% killed due to inundation. In 2006, Tolem Group iron ore mines 6% killed due to fall of sites. In 2007, Mandoli limestone mines 5% killed due to fall of sites. In 2008, SMS Infrastructure Limited 9% killed due to other explosive. In 2010, Hamsa Mineral Granite Mine 14% killed due to fall of sites. 2010, Barkundi soapstone mines 8% killed due to fall of sites. In 2010, Prasant Mining Quartz mines 4% killed due to fall of overhang. 2010, Devkhoda Garnet mines 5% killed due to fall of overhang. 2013, Granite Buildstone Quarry 4% killed due to fall of overhang. In 2014, Pipli Jori stone mines 4% killed due to fall of sites. This table shows trends of fatal and serious accidents in coal mines in India for the period of 1995 to 2004. This table shows trend in fatal accidents and fatality rates per 1000 persons employed in coal mines and non-coal mines for the period of 1901 to 2006 on 10 years average basis. This table shows trend in incidents of accidents in coal mines, metal mines, oil mines for the period of 1997 to 2006. This table shows trend in death rate per 1000 persons employed in various mines like coal, oil, copper ore, gold ore, iron ore, limestone, manganese ore, galena and sphalerite for the period of 1997 to 2006. This table shows accidents and casualties in 2006 by major minerals like coal, oil, copper, galena and sphalerite, gold, iron ore, limestone, manganese, stone and others. This table shows trend in fatal and serious accidents and death rates and serious injury rates in metalliferous mines for the period of 1997 to 2006. This table shows trend in fatal and serious accidents and death and serious injury rates in metalliferous mines by place wise like below ground, open cast, above ground from 1997 to 2006. Thank you everyone. Remaining part of this lecture will be delivered in part B of mine accident analysis. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.